Gold and silver traded with swings, and we have seen specifically silver moving towards 59 while gold traded in range. It is crude which has posted a little recovery and it is back at 59 here, while natural gas traded bearish. The indices Nasdaq and Dow both traded in a range here. What to expect now from these six instruments with the US session? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit, what should be our strategy today with the US session? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Friends, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities twice a day. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold and silver, followed with oil and gas. Lastly, Nasdaq and Dow. Watch this. Now, gold on the early charts drop, sideways movement, drop, sideways movement. It is bounced back here. This is still a retracement. Lower highs are there, lower lows are there. I'll wait. If at all it trades beyond 42.20, you can definitely expect a further rise. Till 42.30, 32, you have to be watchful, and then the next targets are going to be towards 42, 42, 44. These are going to be definitely critical resistances here on gold. When you look at the near-term charts here, see this movement, then a bounce back, and I'll definitely watch out how it performs for the next few candles, because see now if at all it trades below 4200, you can stay with the sells. Below 4200, 4194, 4188 should be a very good support, and then 4180 will come. Below 4180 is where you can say that now gold is turning bearish. As long as 4180 is not taken, you have to be watchful. See today what it did, it has breached 4180 briefly but closed above 4180. So I'll wait for one of the candles to close below 4180. That will confirm the next down move here. Also notice on the early charts, lower highs are seen, support here is seen, so let it trade below 4200. Certainly more bearishness might prevail from there. The stochastic at the top, the MACD after hitting the bottom crossed over here, trading with divergence, is staying bullish here. RSI is running almost flat. On the 2 hour, here on the 2 hour charts, one sharp pullback candle, lower highs are seen. Preceding candle traded in range, current one, I'll wait for a breakout here. 4200, 4198, and then 4190. Very, very crucial support exist till 4180. Keep the levels in mind. As long as it stays above 4180, you have to be careful with the selling entries. At the same time, as long as it stays below 4220, you have to be watchful with the buys as well. Stochastic rising here, the MACD after hitting the bottom just crossed over, trading with bullishness here. So this is a supportive sign for a further rise. It is not that it cannot cross over again for a sell, but right now it is looking upwards. RSI is running flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation, drop, retracement, lower highs here, lower lows here, trading in this bearish channel. Very, very crucial for gold to break beyond 4220 or to trade below 4180, 4165 zone. The stochastic is seen rising. The MACD after a brief bearish move, it is trying to cross over. It is just converged but not yet crossed over. Remember when it was bullish, if it can hit the high at plus 30, right now it is only at plus -5. So imagine if it moves towards -30, where the prices are going to go. RSI running flat. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, likewise drop, retracement, drop, sideways movement here, waiting for a breakout either which ways. Right now I can see a struggle on the upside as well. It is failing to trade on the upside. On the downside, the supports are also getting stronger. Let it break below either of these levels. Stochastic is rising. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI running flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, drop, then retracement, then the drop, then retracement, then the drop, then again a retracement, and see this is still delivering higher lows and higher highs, though this time it is reversed from the median, almost from the median here, and the resistances are also getting stronger, but it is not yet showing extreme bearish moves here. Look at the candle size, is very, very small, and now if you look at today's move, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. Now where it closes today is going to be very, very crucial, because see once it slides, now once it starts to slide and stays below 4160, 4150, or in fact 4130 levels, this is a beginning of a correction. This could confirm the next move. We should take it further lows towards 4080, 4050 levels as well, but right now there are no signs of it. Remember, diminishing bearishness, it could post a complete reversal as well, and the rally here is going to be stronger if at all it breaks out on the upside. Stochastic has taken a dip, but look at the MACD. What we had seen on the 2 hour charts is a crossover on the MACD on the buy side. Now you can see the MACD crossing over here on the sell side. Slight bearish indication here. RSI running flat. So looking at what should be our strategy, way to buy, and before I give you the trading levels here, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch, and if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for queries. And if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, buying entry I will recommend is only above 4207.5. Earlier in the day I had mentioned 4212.5 should be a good resistance zone. What has happened precisely from the same levels, it is reversed. Now this is again going to be a good resistance zone, 4212, 4214. If this is taken 422022 till 423032, you have to remain cautious with the buying entries. It can reverse and dump any point of time. Once it trades beyond 423032, we can look forward to a greater move towards 4242, 44. And if this is taken, I think we are ready for 4260 and 64. Staying beyond this 4300 is a certainty. If not today, then possibly tomorrow with the Fed. But right now I'll say it is not yet showing signs of such a stronger rise. On the downside, what you can do, you can sell here at 4198 levels, expected to move towards 4190, 4180. Now once it trades below 4180, you can expect it to move towards 4165, and then below that 4150, 4130 are going to be the next target. The bearishness in gold is only if you see it staying below 4130, where 4100 and 4080 and 4040 are the targets here. Let's see which direction it delivers the breakout. Today's move is very crucial for gold to decide the direction. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now silver on the hourly charts, you can see after the drop we have seen it trading with slight bearishness, and then with the support from 100 period it has bounced back. But when you see the move rise, retracement rise, it could again retrace and come back towards the support zone at 5760, 5740. Right now when you look at the last three candles, it is staying in zone. I'll wait for it to trade below 5840 and then 5820 levels. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to a good correction which could take it again towards 5760, 5740 zone. Moving averages though are starting to trade bullish here, but stochastic at top. Also look at the MACD. After bottoming, it has crossed over, which is a supportive sign for further rise. RSI is rising, so signs are supportive for further rise. Coming to 2 hour, see on the 2 hour charts, when you look at the move here, see first of all drop and a complete recovery. It has moved towards 59, then again a drop, support from 5 period, it has moved close to 59. If you look at these two moves, you can see this is a box movement here, and now the highs are done, so possibly the lows at 57 or 5640 can be expected. But when you look at the move here, you can see after the drop it is traded bearish and it is breaking out here. Now this is possible that it can still stay in this bearish channel, but yes, a move beyond 59 and 5930 will negate all the bearishness and we are going to see a huge rally towards 60. Look at the preceding candle, it is a swing candle indecision here. It can possibly reverse from the current levels as well. Stochastic rising here, the MACD after a drop crossing over here. Supportive sign for further rise. RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, what has happened with the preceding two candles? You can see there was a reversal, but you can notice the current candle starting with a higher low. So now it is very crucial for silver to trade below 5820 and 58 mark here. Below 58, certainly more bearishness should follow from there. Right now I can say this was the reversal. We have seen bearishness, a bounce back, and it can still take a dump from here. But right now it is struggling to trade bearish, and on the upside the resistances are also equally strong. Stochastic rising, the MACD trying to converge, crossover for a buy. RSI is also showing modest gains. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, you can notice one thing, the 20 period is acting as a shield here. It has offered it a very good support. With this as support, price is bounced back. So now once it trades below 58 or 5780 and then 5760 and 5740, you can say that a reversal is going to begin here. But right now it is struggling. It is not showing such a strength here. It is not showing such weakness here as well. See, this is how it has been trading. You can see it is a moderately bullish channel, and now it is very important for silver to break below 5740, 5760 zone in order to confirm any slide, and then you can target towards 57 or in fact lower levels. Stochastic rising here, the MACD trading bearish here, RSI running flat. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, notice since the reversal, we have seen a good drop coming in. It has tried to bounce back again. You can see this is still respecting higher lows and higher highs. It has to come out of this channel here, which means either silver trades above 59 or trades below 57.40 and 57. If at all it trades below 57.40 and 57, this should confirm the next round of drop all the way towards 57, 56, or in fact 55 levels. Right now it is not showing such weakness. It is staying in zone, trying to swing around. Also notice rise retracement, bigger rise might follow with a bigger retracement. How low? It can in fact move towards 54, 53 zone as well. But right now it is staying bullish. Stochastic is also starting to rise after the dip here. The MACD is in green trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI at the top. So considering this, what you should, I'll recommend you to buy at 58.80, but then expect 59.05, very good resistance. 59.30 the next, and if this is taken, 59.60, $60 level should arrive. 60 is the milestone which silver has to break. This is a crucial psychological mark, because beyond this, possibly silver will again post a stronger rally. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 58.40 levels itself. Expect 58, then 57.60, 57.40. This is the most strongest support. Once it trades below this, stay short for 57, and then below 57 is where the real bearishness should begin, towards 56.5, 56, and then 55 levels very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. Now see, crude oil, I expected a retracement. What it has done, it has retraced towards 59 here at this point. Just was the update I have shared a few hours back. I have mentioned very clearly, once it trades below 58.6, 58.5, you can stay with the rise and expect 59, 59.3, 59.6. What it has done, it has kissed 59. Now waiting for it to trade above 59. This will confirm the next move towards 59.2, 59.3, and then towards 59.5, 59.6. It has shown a good drop, now trying to retrace a little, though the moving averages are still staying bearish here. Stochastic getting overbought. The MACD, after hitting the bottom, just crossing over here, suggests you a slight further retracement on the upside. RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to 3 hour chart, coming to 2 hour charts rather, you can see after the drop it has posted a reversal. This is almost a symmetrical move, and now once it trades beyond 59, you can expect 59.2, 59.3, or 59.5, 59.6. If 59.660 is not far away. But right now it is not showing much strength here. This is just a retracement after the drop. The moving averages have also crossed over on the sell side here. Stochastic rising, the MACD after hitting the bottom, trying to converge, waiting for a crossover here. RSI is coming out of the bottom here, looking upwards. Coming to 3 hour chart, likewise on the 3 hour charts, after bearish move, it has formed a base. It has shown a good rise. Either it trades now below 58.4, 58.2. Earlier also I had shared why 58.4, 58.2 is a good support zone. Right from the same zone, it is trying to bounce back. Now if it tries to bounce back, it can possibly move towards highs here. It may wait for the inventory data tomorrow for it to show a good rise, but for this it has to trade above 59.5, 59.6 today. Notice what is happening. A reversal sign is seen, one bullish candle, the current one could be swing, and the next candle might take it towards the highs here. So yes, beyond 59, stay with the buys, but with caution. Look at 4 hour chart, similar observation, diminishing bearishness, reversal sign, first bullish candle. There is a possibility of a second bullish candle here. Yes, the stochastic is rising, the MACD is trading bearish here, RSI running flat. Coming to the daily, now see on the daily charts, you can see what we had seen on the smaller time frame. Look at the base it is created at 58.4, and the zone at 58.4, 58.2, 58 is a very strong support. Now notice here, rise retracement, bigger rise retracement, and if at all it starts to bounce back from here, it can deliver the third bigger rise here and create an expanding triangle. Now this rise might take it above 60.5, 60.6 as well, which is a reversal confirmation. But right now it is not showing much strength. I'll wait for it to trade above 59. Stochastic taking a dip, though the MACD on the daily charts is still not much of room on the upside available. RSI is almost running flat here. Considering this, what you should do, and yes friends, before leaving the video, do not miss to press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment, do hype the video, and also join the signals channel, and if you have queries you can reach out to me. So where you should buy, buying is at 59 level only, 59.2, 59.3, the first target, very crucial here, then 59.5, 59.6. If this is taken, it is turning bullish. You can expect 60 and you can expect 60.6 as well. Beyond this, stay ahead with the greater rally towards 61.2, 62.5. But right now it is not showing such a strength here. and thus you have to be cautious. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 58.4 levels. Expect it to move towards 58, 57.75, 57.5 levels. And if this is taken, you can in fact expect 57, 56, and 55 here. Though I'm not in favor of such a drop. But yes, once it starts to slide, the bearishness might increase here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas, after a big gap down and a sharp bearish move, it is now again today started of the day on a bearish note here. It is already now moved towards 4.58 levels. Notice what it has done. The resistance here on the upside getting stronger. So buying entries are pretty clear only and only if you see it is staying beyond 4.66, 4.68 zone. If these two levels are taken, we can say more bullishness should prevail. Notice what is happening. Drop, slide retracement, drop, slide retracement, drop, side retracement, and again taking a direction, again turning bearish here. So where are the lows here? The lows are now aiming towards 4.55 levels potentially. The moving average is crossing over here, slight bearish indication here. Stochastic taking a dip, the MACD hitting the bottom just crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness. And the RSI is staying oversold. So things are oversold. It may try to recover, but there are no signs of it. It is still staying bearish. Look at the 2 hour charts, green, red, and now it is trying to break out, and hence the farther it goes from below 4.6, the more bearishness is going to increase here. Notice the moving average is crossing over here. Certainly it's a bearish indication as well. Till 4.8, if at all it bounces back, until 4.8, do not trade natural gas as bullish. That is also pretty clear here. Stochastic rising from oversold. The MACD trading bearish here right now, looking downwards. RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, you can see the VWAP offering it a resistance here, and it is also delivering lower highs and lower lows. Thus, the buying entry is only above 4.66. That is pretty clear. If you see it is staying beyond 4.66, then only I'll recommend you to buy, and then you can expect it to move towards 4.7, 4.7172, and then in fact 4.7576. Till then, it is not yet to be treated bullish. It is right now looking downwards. Also, look at the candle sizes here. Yes, the resistance here, and then you have seen it preceding candle closing at the bottom, current candle starting off at the top. So now if you see it is staying below 4.575, 4.575, the higher price has to be below 4.575. Stay with the sales for 4.55 and then 4.52. 4.52, very good support exists at 4.52 and 4.5. If that is also taken, then you can expect a greater correction towards 4.5 levels directly. Moving averages here also crossing over for sell. Stochastic oversold, the MACD sharply bearish, RSI at bottom. Coming to 4 hour, the observation is more or less same here. Notice, see, this could have become a reversal sign if the price could have traded beyond 4.6668 zone. This could have been a good reversal opportunity for net gas, which could take it higher towards 4.75, 4.8 levels. But right now it is not showing much strength. It is rather showing weakness here. Yes, the stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is trading sharply bearish. The RSI is also at bottom. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice first a gap down, then a sharp bearish move, preceding candle closing at the bottom, current one starting on a bearish note. It appears gas is willing to test 4.4 soon. Let's see if it does show this. And for this to happen, 4.55 and 4.5 levels to be taken here, and then possibly we might see a move towards 4.4 very soon. Right now, the day has just started to take a shape here. It can still bounce back, but I'll say till 4.66, you should not be initiating a buy here. If you see the stochastic here, yes, it is looking downwards. MACD again crossing over, and this is trading with divergence and staying bearish. See, this is what we had discussed several times. This is the rise, and now it is trying to reverse. It can deliver similar pattern before moving towards the bottom. So can we say that natural gas has peaked here? I think we have to wait for this entire month. It is not yet confirming a reversal till 4.4 is not taken. RSI is also taking a huge dip here. So looking at this, what you should do first is the buying entry 4.6 you can buy, but then this is also 4.63 and 4.66. Only and only if it trades beyond 4.66, it is to be treated bullish. 4.6 is very crucial. Beyond this, you can expect 4.72, 4.8. Till 4.8, it is very likely that it can reverse. But right now, as in how these levels are taken, the bullishness is going to increase here. On the downside, I'll recommend you to sell at 4.54, expect 4.5 to 4.5. Once it trades below 4.5, then we can expect it to show a greater move towards 4.45, 4.4, and below 4. Is where natural gas should start the next round of drop towards 4.2 and 4 as well. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. If you see Tech 100 on the hourly chart, see first of all the support it is created here at 25,545 20. Very, very strong. With this is support. We have seen a bounce back. Now see, this is still in bearish here. This is not yet confirming a complete reversal. For a complete reversal, we should see Tech 100 trading below 25,555 40 zone, and below that it should show a greater drop. Now see what's happening since the drop here. Notice it is retraced. Now, since the rate is again a drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and see this is delivering lower highs, lower lows. So it is very, very crucial now for uh, Nasdaq 100 to trade below 25,620 zone. If at all it trades below 25,600, stay short. Right now it is showing much bearishness. Stochastic trying to bounce back here. The MACD almost flat and at bottom. The RSI is almost flat as well. On the 2-hour chart, you can see the price is getting a squeeze between the 20 and 50. It has to come out of it either which ways. Either trade beyond 25 660 and 700 zone till 25 700. At least it's not a buy. Beyond 25 700 is where you can confirm the bullishness here. Else right now it is trading with moderate bearishness. If you see the stochastic, this is running flat. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is running flat. On the 3-hour, similar observation. Notice it is try to kiss the 50 period and bounce back every time. Now see these levels here. Very, very crucial here for Tech 100. See this? Multiple candles taking the support here. So yes, if you see it is staying below 25, 60 and 600, stay short. But then 25, 570, 540 and 500 are the three levels which Tech 100 has to break below in order to confirm the greater reversal here. Stochastic rising, the MACD bearish, the RSI is also trading bearish. On the 4-hour chart, now notice on the 4-hour charts what it is done, one single bullish candle, 3 to 4 candles, and this is trading in this bearish channel. Now very, very crucial for US 100 to break below 25 555 40 and then 25 500. Beyond this, certainly greater correction should follow towards 25 350 200 25,000. But right now it is staying bullish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading with moderate bearishness, RSI running flat. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, look at the preceding candle here. Yes, it is closed in red, though today it is started off with higher lows. So now when you look at the lows here, it is very critical, very important for US 100 to trade below 25 500. As long as 25 500 is not taken, it is not yet a reversal, because see, it has delivered a flat top. It can bounce back, it can move towards 25 800. And now on the upside, 25 828 40, as long as it respects, do not treat this as bullish. Once it trades beyond 25 828 40 is where you can confirm that it is bulls are taking over, when we can look forward to a rally. Else right now it is looking downwards. Notice what has happened here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. And see, this is the same zone from where we had seen this drop. It is trying to reverse from the same zone. But now the support levels on the downside are very strong here. Stochastic taking a dip here. The MACD is rising. RSI is flat. Looking at this, what you can buy 25 660, but you have to trail with just 20 points here. 25 680, 25 700, and then 25 720. If these levels are taken, you can just close your eyes, stay bullish from here. You are looking at 25 800, 25 840, the next target zone. If this is taken, 26,000 is not too far. Trade accordingly. Let's look at the selling entries here. You can sell here at 25 600 levels. Expect 25 570, 25 540, and then 25 500. Once it trades below 25 500, stay short for 25 400, 25 300 levels. Below 25 300 is going to deliver a greater sharp correction towards 25 200 25,000 levels. If not today, then tomorrow with the Fed. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones, the last. And before we proceed to DJ30 friends, before leaving the video, do not forget to press the like button, do share and subscribe and comment as well. Coming to the hourly chart, so yes, 30. See, this is the top here. Since the top, it has shown a good dip, though it is high and lows. But see, since the drop, it has retraced and now trying to take a direction. So now once it trades below 47 700, 47 600 zone, this is the most crucial zone. Once it slides below 47 600, I think we should be ready for a move towards 47 500 and 47 350 levels. But right now it is a sideways movement. Though the moving averages are trading bearish here, you can see the price is not showing much bearishness here. Stochastic at the top, the MACD has crossed over here, trading with moderate bullishness. RSI is trading bearish. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation, drop, retracement trying to come out here. In fact, you can take a sell at 25, 47 720 levels and expect it to move towards 47 680, 47 600 levels. Moving averages are convergent but not yet crossed over. Stochastic, MACD, RSI, all are suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to the 3R. On the 3R charts, see this is the, you can see support zone here. It has definitely offered it a very good support, and once it trades below this, specifically below 47,720, 680 zone, certainly greater momentum on the downside could be seen, which could take it all the way towards 47,600, 47,400 levels as well. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is also trading with moderate bearishness. Coming to the 4-hour charts now. See, observation on the time frames is almost same, drops, retracement, drop, retracement. It has taken a dip and it is now looking downward. And thus, you can also possibly expect that once it trades below 47, 700, 600 zone, certainly more bearishness should follow from there. The stochastic rising, the MACD bearish, the RSI is also trading bearish. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, the flat top here, then the reversal. And now when it starts to take a shape, specifically below 47,600 levels, I think we are ready for a good, great fall here. We should in fact take it towards 47,400 levels as well. We have to watch out. Today's move is very important. And then below 47,400, it is going to land at 47,200, and this is the beginning of reversal then. Stochastic trying to cool down. The MACD is also in green, trying to converge here a bit. RSI is running flat. So looking at this, what you should first, the selling entry at 47,720 expected to move towards 47,680, 47,600. And once it sales trades below 47,600, expect 47,520, 47,400. Below 47,400, a greater fall towards 47,200, and 47K also should be seen here, but it is not yet trading such a strongly bearish. It is staying in the zone. Let it give you a breakout move here. And on the downside, on the upside, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy only now if you see US 100, US 30 trading below 47,820, 840 levels, expected to move to 47,910 and then 48K. Once it trades below 48K, we can expect the next move towards 48,080 and then 48,200. Beyond 48,200, you can expect 48,500 very soon, if not today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signal channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you.